you want to make Play-Doh balls?
Yeah.
Make another one. Where's the poop?
Up there.
How many?
Oh, two.
Say 1,
One,
2,
two.
3.
Yeah.
You don't want to say 3?
Yeah.
No. Okay. Hey.
That ball.
A ball.
That ball.
Okay. Make that a ball. Can you cut?
Uh-oh.
Yeah, over there, huh?
Huh?
Can you cut the ball with this?
No.
Why not?
No, no.
Why not?
No, no.
Okay. Can you count how many you have?
Two. So there is it. A two.
How old are you? You poop. Make it poop.
Okay.
What did we just talk about? You gotta be gentle with it, pal.
Yeah.
You're not being gentle with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ball.
We don't actually throw that ball though, sweetie. It's Play-Doh.
Playdoh.
Bam. There you go.
Oh.
Bam. Okay, make it go poop.
Okay.
Be gentle with it.
Okay.
Good boy.
Ball.
Make it poop. Make it poop. One at a time. It only fits one. No. You nutty. Okay, make it go poop.
Uh-oh.
Push it down.
I shoot.
Okay, done.